Hi guys, my name is Amruta and welcome back to yet another beauty vlogs. So in this vlog you will get to know that how to do quick Diwali light makeup look. So in this Diwali light makeup look, we are going to focus only on eye makeup, and our base makeup will be simple and light. If we are doing any kind of makeup look, then first step should be moisturizing your skin, and here I am using Pond's Gel Moisturizer, which is very good for the oily skin. Use good amount of product so your skin will be hydrated and remain fresh for the whole day. So after moisturizer, I am skipping the primer step and directly using foundation, and here I am using Sugar Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. If you want high coverage, then you can reapply the product, but as per the title of the video, I want to keep base simple and light. Now here I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Powder to set the foundation, and after the applying foundation also, if there is any darker spot or something, then our compact powder will cover that. Now moving to the eye makeup, first I will use this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and first I will take this dark brown color. Apply product outer corner of the eye, then drag it on a crease. Then take this blue shimmery color from the palette and apply on the outer corner of the eye. And remember, do not drag this on the crease, only apply on the outer corner of the eye. Now we will take this green color and apply only on the center of the eyelid. Make this Diwali festive look more beautiful, here I am using golden eyeshadow from the Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I will first apply inner corner of the eyelid, then drag it down to the outside to blend and mix all the three colors. Then we will highlight few areas like our nose, eyebrow and cheekbone. To make our eye makeup more intense, for that I am using this color from the Nykaa palette and applying on this outer corner of the eye and on the crease. To complete this eye makeup, I am using kajal from NYD and the eyeliner from Lakme. Moving to the lips, first I will use lip balm from Wadi. Finally, to complete this look, here I am using Sugar Cosmetics Mini Liquid Lipstick and shade number is 17. So So this is the final look of our quick Diwali light makeup, and I hope you like this, and if you do then please hit the like button and comment down in below section and let me know. And I wish you a very happy Diwali to all, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Take care, bye bye.